In Medicin Hat, a local bar was affected by a fire, displacing tenants who had to leave behind their belongings. The community rallied around them, with the Medicin Hat Fire Department proving critical in limiting the damage. Fire safety is now emphasized as a vital lifesaver. The bar will be temporarily closed for repairs. However, management remains optimistic about their future. Fire cause is under investigation, and everyone is encouraged to remain vigilant. Affected tenants may face legal complexities, so an AI Legalese Decoder can help simplify their lease agreements and rights, ensuring they understand their legal standing during this time. Find yourself in a similar situation? Try our free AI Speed Dial Lawyer for assistance, linked to AI Legalese Decoder. Stay strong, Medicin Hat. Together, you'll overcome this adversity.